Welcome back to Postcards from Stewy. Due to some wild weather changes, our cruise itinerary threw us a curveball. We arrived a day early for an overnight stay in spectacular Copenhagen. We didn't waste a single second. That afternoon, we hopped a bus for an incredible Norwegian Prima shore excursion. The next morning, we officially disembarked the ship, but our Danish adventure was not over yet. We checked into our gorgeous hotel right in the heart of the iconic Nyhavn area. Grab your passport because our Copenhagen series starts right now.
Well, we finally pulled into the port here in Copenhagen, and you can see all the tour buses all lined up for shore excursions. And we are at Terminal 2.
Welcome to this grand tour. I repeat my name because you may want to use it if you need anything, right? So my name is Veronica. I'm Italian, by the way. I've been living here in Copenhagen for 3 years. And the Little Mermaid is a statue that was commissioned by the son of a famous, of the founder of a famous Danish beer company called Carlsberg.
We're walking, and there she is. I guess we can go down on the rocks.
Right here. He's over here. He's here.
It's here somewhere, huh?
Our first stop was the world-famous Little Mermaid statue, followed by the grand historic square of Amalienborg Palace. Next, we were treated to some free time in the vibrant, bustling Nyhavn Canal area. Let me tell you, the energy here is unmatched.
Oh my God,
Country to country.
Look at on the sunny side of the street. Well, we are at the end of the pier, and we are staying at a beautiful hotel right here. This is it. Number 71.
Back on the bus, we made a final stop at
We are
City
on
Hall
the other
Square
side of Stewy.
for a quick walking tour just as the sun was setting over the
On
city.
the left-hand side, there is the train station, completed in the 1900.
To wrap up a perfect day, we headed back to the ship for dinner at one of our absolute favorite onboard spots, Los Lobos. We just rushed to our specialty dining in Los Lobos. We are in Copenhagen. It was beautiful. We had a city tour this afternoon. Got back just in time to rush up here for our 7:30 dinner.
Yeah, and so we walked a lot again today, 8,300 steps today, so we're tired and hungry and hot, and this is gonna be just what we ordered.
Just
Yeah, cheers.
Bright and early the next morning, we officially disembarked, caught a taxi back to the waterfront, headed straight for 71 Nyhavn Hotel. Since it was early, our rooms weren't quite ready, so we dropped our bags and went on a vital mission, finding authentic Danish pastries and coffee. Safe to say, Copenhagen did not disappoint.
Oh, sorry. Your place is so adorable.
Our hotel recommended this place.
Yes.
The Nyhavn.
So this corner here is just all street food. I guess it's called Broens street food.
Remember he said that a lot of chefs are coming here? Remember she said that?
Yeah. Look. Here's a
Keeps falling over.
duck bowl. Crispy duck croquettes. Double duck fries. Oh, and that one looks
Crispy
sad.
double duck fries.
That one looks sad. That,
Yeah,
see the one
yeah,
on the top?
right.
He looks like he's going to be dinner. World famous cheeseburgers. Man, those look good. I just wanted to see what was here, because this is very cool.
I'm always good for that stuff.
Made fresh tacos. Oh, gyros, poke bowls.
They have coisas.
Look at these sausages
Oh,
cooking.
look at that sausage.
Look at that. Oh, wow. Fish
The
and
French
chips.
fries.
This is a Vietnamese food.
This historic hotel is widely considered one of the most prestigious boutique hotels in the city. Housed right inside converted 19th century warehouses.
Hi, Sue and Emery. Welcome to 71 Nyhavn Hotel.
Thank you. We're so happy.
Pretty.
Yeah. She is.
I'm
Okay.
Maxis here, and I'm Caroline.
Caroline, all right. All right, guys, thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
All right, well, we just got our room, it's ready. And you can see the ceilings are very low. This room is from 1804.
It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
Come on in.
Okay, here we are. Look how low the ceiling is. Oh my God, I'm almost hitting it. And oh, look at this.
Beautiful.
Wow. And look at the shutters. And it overlooks the street and the canal.
And they're lining up, so that means they,
14:30.
oh good.
Next one.
It's about 15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes. Let's get our tickets. Classic canal
Next up,
tour
it was
in
time to see
harbor.
the city from a
Perfect.
whole new angle
I'll
with a
get in line,
scenic
Steve.
canal cruise. We'd already seen Copenhagen from the land, but looking up from the water gave us a completely different perspective.
Going on our cruise.
It's in North Carolina. It's all set up.
Og hvis I gerne vil høre den danske audio-guided tur, så skal I vælge program 1, og turen begynder efter broen. So, and we are approaching the first bridge of the tour, which is going to be the lowest bridge of them all. So please remain seated. Thank you. Then once we're on the other side of the bridge, I will go for a check on Browner, help if there are any issues.
Okay. Now we're good. Oh, there's the, what was the name of the place we were today? Heart. Right there.
Yeah,
Right there.
That's where we ate today, right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
With that little one. Right
That's
there.
it.
Wait.
Oh, look, Little Mermaid.
Yeah, I was gonna say we're gonna get a different view.
By afternoon, we were absolutely famished. We stopped for a bite and a cold drink at the iconic Nyhavn 17, a legendary spot right on the water.
Stewy knew about this place.
All the photos, everything advertising Copenhagen, you see this building.
Right, as opposed to our hotel, which is new on 7-1.
71, yeah.
Oh, look at this. Emery likes Jack. There's a very cool plaque there from 1904.
You have glasses in one of those pockets.
Yeah, sure.
It has Jack Daniels from 1904.
I bet it's real. I think those are chips, right? Or French fries? Fries with mayonnaise.
That's what
I can't believe they have Whispering Angel here.
What is your name?
Arafella.
Edifella. So how long has this been here? This bar?
Since,
Longer than you, right?
well, let me guess, as you see from the pictures.
Which one of these is a Danish beer that I should try?
So, actually, all of them are Danish, but this one, we only sell it in this.
Only here?
Yes. So, it's a brown beer.
Brown.
Yes.
So how do you say that?
Nyhavn.
Nyhavn 17 brown ale. Okay, that's your own special.
So, one beer.
For so far.
Yeah, okay.
This place is very cool. This is the Nyhavn 17 brown ale that's brewed just for this bar.
And Louie and Rebecca are here with us.
On our way back to the hotel, we couldn't resist checking out a few of the unique, partially underground bars along the canal. They were so incredibly cozy, each with its own distinct decor and inviting vibe.
I don't even know the name of this bar.
McCoy's Choice.
McCoy's. Wait. McCoy.
What number is this? Every bar has their own number. I don't know what number this one is.
I don't either.
So here's the menu. Wait,
Okay,
hold on. Wait,
so I
not
have
yet,
to
not
look
yet,
at this.
not
Look at this.
yet. I know. I picked it up and I thought it was going to be heavy and I went like that.
For dinner, we stayed close to home and dined at the Il Rosmarino, the beautiful restaurant located right in the atmospheric cellar of our hotel. The food was absolutely
Restaurants are like
wonderful.
halfway underground. It's beautiful. This is the building from 1804. All the beams and everything are real. Wow. What kind of salad was that, Stewy?
Regular salad.
Just a regular salad.
It's so pretty.
It's really amazing. Wow. Okay. And we're still waiting.
Very big.
Look how pretty it is.
I know, we just got our food. So delicious.
And there's people behind it. Over my right shoulder, and a couple tables back, they had the ravioli and they were coming out.
Emery loved his filet. And Stewy,
I ate it all.
Louie loved his. And Rebecca is still loving hers.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Day 3, goodbye Denmark, hello London. Another early wake-up call, starting with a spectacular breakfast in the very same cellar restaurant where we had dinner. After checking out, we said a fond goodbye to Copenhagen and made our way to the airport. Next stop, London. We're spending 4 action-packed days sightseeing in the UK, so you definitely won't want to miss our next video series. See you in London!